What if I told you that ranking on Google is no longer enough? More people are turning to AI tools like to get instant answers. What's the difference between SEO and GEO? The goal is to make your pages more visible when people search for topics related to your business, helping you attract more organic traffic without paying for ads. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, improves your website's visibility on search engines. SEO involves optimizing your website with relevant keywords, high-quality content, fast loading speeds, strong backlinks, and a great user experience. For example, if someone searches for Best WooCommerce Shipping Plugin, good SEO helps your page appear higher in the search results, making it more likely that users will visit your site. Now let's talk about GEO. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. Instead of focusing only on search engines, GEO helps your content become more understandable and useful for AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity when they generate answers for users. The goal of GEO is to make your content a trusted source by creating clear, accurate, and well-structured information. Here's the biggest difference. SEO focuses on improving rankings and driving users to click on your website. GEO focuses on making your content easy for AI to understand and reference when answering questions. One is about ranking in search results, while the other is about being included in AI-generated responses. The good news is you don't have to choose between SEO and GEO. Strong SEO gives your website authority and visibility, while GEO helps ensure your content remains discoverable as AI-powered search becomes more common. Together, they create a stronger long-term content strategy. To optimize for GEO, start by answering users' questions clearly and directly. Use descriptive headings, keep paragraphs concise, and organize information logically. Content that's easy for people to read is also easier for AI systems to understand. Once you've answered users' questions clearly, the next step is to show your expertise. Use original insights, real examples, or reliable data, and keep your content updated. Organizing it with bullet points, tables, and FAQs also helps both readers and AI understand it more easily. SEO isn't going away, it's evolving. As AI search grows, optimizing for both SEO and GEO will help your content stay visible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials.